Now, it's been a while since I've posted my Frumpy Frugal Gourmet videos, and today I am creating a recipe that is going to be pureed sweet potatoes. And all that's in this recipe is a cup of water, a little bit of cinnamon, some sea salt, 2 large sweet potatoes, and some slices of apple. And I'm going to put it in the Instapot for 6 minutes. This is an experiment. I'll come back and let you know how it is, and then we'll see. Okay, I know I said 6 minutes, but I'm changing it to 7 minutes. I checked it at 6 minutes and it wasn't quite ready. So after 7 minutes in the pressure cooker, then you can have your potato masher and mash it up. Stir it up, and I'll be back in a little bit. I forgot to peel the apples, so I brought out my tool that my friend Rachel gave me, and I'm using this to really liquefy the apple peel so there won't be weird strips of chewy peel in this. But I think it's going to be delicious when I'm done. Okay, look at this. Delicious. No sugar added, just a little bit of apples, cinnamon, salt, sweet potatoes, and water. And 7 minutes in the pressure cooker.